Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to get NFL Sunday Ticket on Xfinity. It's very easy and simple, guys. So you just launch YouTube first on your Xfinity X1 or Flex streaming TV box. Just launch your YouTube app, and then you sign into your YouTube account. And then all you need to do, guys, is go ahead and subscribe to either the YouTube Primetime channel for NFL Sunday Ticket, or you can subscribe it to YouTube TV and you'll get access to the NFL Sunday Ticket. So those are the two ways, okay? You need to just do it through YouTube and you can do it on these supported models of your devices. Really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided a value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.